Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a Wise bank account. So let's get started. So now here we are in wise.com, and once you're on their website, to begin the process, you need to click on the register icon right here on the top right. And then once you're here, you would now need to enter your email address. So let's just paste my email address, and or you can just sign up with Google account, Facebook, or the Apple account right here, depending on what you prefer. In my case, I'll just proceed with this one and click on next. And now we would now need to check our email. And here it is. As you can see, we have now received the email, and click on the email right here to confirm our email address. And just click here on confirm email address. And email is now confirmed. You can now continue in creating your account. And from here, you need to choose your account type, personal or business. In my case, I'll just go with personal since I just want to send, spend, and receive money around the world for less. And the country right here. And your two-factor authentication right here on the next step. In this case, you can see what you can do with Wise in your country. So it would actually depend on where you are located. And click on continue once you're done. And now from here, it's very simple. All you have to do is just provide your phone number, and then they would send you a code, and then you would need to input that code right here in Wise in order for you to proceed to the password creation. So in this step, you just need to set up your password. It's that simple. Just give them the password, and then they will set it up with your account. And now you will be prompted right here after that registration process. It's very simple, right? So from here, what you want to do first is you can add a currency of your choice. In my case, I have already many here. So from here, you can just scroll all the way to the right and click here on that plus button. And then you'd be able to open a balance or jar. So balance is send, receive, and spend money. And jar is for when you want to set aside money for whenever you need it. In my case, I'll just go with balance and click on open. And then from here, you can now choose a currency of your choice. In my case, I'll just go for Euro, for example, and click on confirm. And then after that, we will now be proceeding to the next one, which is right here. And from here, you can click now on get your account details for this currency. So if you'd want to receive something for this one right here in Euro, then this is the IBAN, the BIC, your account holder name, address right here, and so on. And you'd also have some notes right here. So there's a limit. Payments take up to this amount of time, and so on right here. So this is how you can set up your bank account right here in this currency. Request a payment, get proof of account details, receive your salary or pension, and so on right here. And now that you know how you can set up your currencies right here, and the next thing that we're going to discuss is the card right here. So this might also be helpful to you. So this is where you can order a card. So you can click here on the plus button, and then you can go for digital or physical. And yeah, that is basically it. And take note that it might differ from country to country because there might be countries that doesn't support Wise. So you may be able to create your account, but you wouldn't be able to add currencies right here or order a card and so on because Wise isn't open to that country yet. So there might be cases in some countries. So yeah, just take note of that. And that is basically it for this video on how you can set up your Wise bank account. Thank you for watching.